That's it. No going back. Welcome to Gears and Tech. Today's going to be a fun day for me because we are doing an upgrade to my Nissan Altima. This is the car that I'm getting ready for a road trip, which is coming up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you'll want to do that so that you can check out the road trip and the car reveals. We have a lot of fun on these road trips. I gotta make sure that my car is absolutely looking the part, so we gotta get it ready. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Here we are, ready to mount our spoiler. So you can see my brackets are all really loose. So what I want to do first is just kind of tighten them up so that it's not flopping around while I'm trying to set this thing in place. Now that these are tighter, I just snugged them up, but I'm not going to put them super tight. What I want to do is kind of pop the trunk and have a look inside here and just see if there's anything that's going to be in the way while I'm doing the actual mounting. You can see it's got a cover over here, so we got to take that off so that we can see under here and just make sure that there's no like bracing or anything in our way. So these are just pop pins, and you can just use a flat screwdriver to just pop that up like this, and then it'll pull out just like that. We've got an inside skeleton on this trunk. I'm going to be up in this space right here, and when I look inside here I see that there's a little curved piece here, so that might cause some problems. Because of that, someone might consider going into this space to get the spoiler, which if we line that up, that's more this space here. I want to get it as far back as possible, so if I have to, I'll just nibble out some of the metal here so that I can get to the backing plate, rather than adjusting the aesthetics of the spoiler. We'll just move this out of the way. So now we just got to line this thing up and measure it. So for that,
try and get it straight-ish. Oh, I'm actually just gonna go the angle of your tower. Let's go front some marks.
and I'll see if I got a drill bit.
You need a better felt. This thing is dry.
I got a pen there too.
Is that even gonna right? Just under a half.
Under a half.
But the problem was like this line, the way the pen mark went, it went more straight, and that one's more angled. So
that's it. No going back.
I mean, you could go back. Really, it's not that pretty of a trunk.
Scratching my paint all up. Holy.
What paint? Oh, sorry, your paint is there. The finish is gone. to, like, you'll basically wish that this was you.
There we go. We got super lucky, and it just so happened that the hole in the wafer, the inner lining of this, lines up perfectly with where those rear spoiler mounts are going to be. And you can see here is where our front ones are, and we're going to just nibble those out with a unibit to make the space.
Was it luck?
Perfect. Here is a shot of the tightened nuts on there and on there. Now there is a sharp edge here, but don't forget we got this inner liner that's going to cover this all up, so nobody's going to get their fingers chopped up in there. When we drop her down like that, it's on there, it's in position. So now we can adjust actually how it fits on here and tighten everything down to make sure it's how we want it. This spoiler is available on Amazon, but I got this one on eBay because Amazon wanted a month to get it here, and on eBay I got it in a week and a half. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video. We'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.